Girl, you could do this. You could do this. You've been doing this.
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, represent, gotta represent, chase a chick, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch, mask on, got a fucking mask on.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I know you guys saw the title and you're like, girl, what? But yes, so in today's video, I'm going to be waxing down there. Obviously, I'm not going to show you guys, you know, what it looks like, but just know your girl is dealing with the bush over here. So you guys saw my last wax video. You guys seem to really like that video. Since I can't show you guys, you know, that area like I did under my arms. Yeah, a lot of people were like, girl, you make this look so easy when I was waxing under my arms. That's because that area is much easier for me. I have a very high pain tolerance, but I've been doing my own Brazilian waxes for over a year now. So now that it's time for me to snatch this hair up again, I decided to let you guys witness that it is not that easy. Okay, a lot of you have been interested in doing your own waxing, so yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. It's the same concept as far as sanitation goes as under your arms, so you want to make sure that you wash your hands. I've done that. You want to make sure that you sanitize. Same thing with the gloves. Sanitize the gloves. You guys are really about to see your girl is not as tough as she may seem, okay? I dread doing this, but it is necessary because I refuse to shave. Let me get my popsicle sticks ready. Wax is good and hot. I still have my pajamas on. I basically woke up and was like, yeah, let's get rid of this. It's like a little forest down there. Gotta get that together. I'm gonna test out the wax. I should probably trim this. I'm gonna regret not trimming it, but I'm not gonna trim it. The wax is ready. Okay. The time is now. Okay, good. The first, when doing the Brazilian, I like to lay down more than one strip. I like to lay down more than one strip at a time because I be wanting to quit, y'all. I be really wanting to quit, okay? I have two, and the only way to get it off is by pulling it. You know what I'm saying? Time to rip the first one. I'm actually bogus for all this hair. Time to rip up the second part. Oh my God. I didn't even rip the whole thing off. Like, okay, let's go. It's just so long. All right, and another one. It's been such a long time since I've seen what she looks like without hair, you know? Time to lay down another strip. Remember what I told you from the last wax video? You want to make sure that you're going in the direction of hair growth and then ripping or pulling up this way. It takes a special type of psychopath to give yourself a Brazilian wax. I'll tell you that much. I'm gonna lay down another one on the opposite side. Oh my God. Okay, I could do this. Girl, you could do this. You could do this. You've been doing this. It's so much hair. Oh my God. I can't even do y'all like that and show y'all. It's ridiculous. I'm bogus. Like, I'm starting to sweat. That was only a piece. That wasn't even the whole thing. Cute and kind of cute. Okay. Okay. All right. Let's get to the lips. Girl, I'm actually filming right now. I'm giving myself a Brazilian wax, and baby.
Wow.
Oh my God. Let me call you right back. I can't rip this off.
Okay.
Bye. This is one of the lips. You want to breathe through these because it ain't easy. Oh my God. I gotta stop stopping. Like, I gotta stop stopping. I just gotta keep going. You just gotta keep going. Just keep going. Jesus. Oh my God. Okay. It's stuck. It is stuck. Okay. I just gotta come home. Just gotta rip it, girl, rip it. I can't do it. All right, girl, you better rip this shit off. Okay. Perspiration. One side is so cute, and the other side is, yeah. Baby, y'all don't even know. If you've never gotten a Brazilian wax, what have you been doing with your life? No, like seriously, what have you been doing? But at the same time, it's much easier to have someone else do it for you than to do it yourself. But I do it myself, and I cry every time. I'm gonna lay down another strip because after this one, I'm almost done. So I'm gonna lay down another one. Let's start getting this out the way. Okay. Okay, that part wasn't that bad. Let's keep going. All right, you could do this. You could do this. Anticipating is the worst part. It's the worst part. You guys, let me know in the comments down below right now. Let me know if you guys have ever done your own Brazilian waxes. I'm trying to see who the psychopaths are. Let me know. Oh my God. That one was the worst one. That one hurt the worst out of all of them. Okay, let's finish. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. I'm this close to walking around with a patch of wax down there, okay? Because I am going through it. I am stressed. I'm so hot. Jeez. Jeez. Oh, jeez. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. Come on, girl. Just rip it. Just rip it. Okay. Rip. She cute. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. She cute. She real cute right now. It was worth the struggle. Hey, haven't seen you in a minute. One more. That's it. One more. We made it. Nigga, we made it. This ain't nothing. Like, girl, what? The hard part is over. You did it. All right. Whew. Jeez. On the last one, my wig is officially lifting, and can't believe we made it. You know, like, more sensitive on this side or something. Okay, half is lifted, the other half still there. Oh my God. Okay. Y'all, it is three-quarters of the way lifted. Okay, let's check her out. Little bougie Gucci, you know, like, she's looking really good now. So I'm officially done. I made it to the end. Thank you guys for hanging out with me while I do this. It kind of made it easier for me. Go ahead and like this video for me being a trooper. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. Leave me some comments down below if you guys have any other waxing videos that you want to see. Do you want to see me do my face, my eyebrows, upper lip, show you guys whatever, legs, arms, whatever? Let me know in the comments down below if you have any other video suggestions. I'm gonna go take a shower now and appreciate my freshly waxed vag. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.